Hi there, Jackie here. If you are an online marketer and an entrepreneur, I just want to let you know that there is breaking news in the industry. And Grace's Cybernetical has come up with this amazing product called Smart Order. Actually, I hear people say Smart Order is for smart. So we have a very important personality. He's a top earner of the company. He's here to tell us and break it down for us what smart order is and why you need to have it like right now. If you're in business and if you want to make more money, have more customers, you should have smart order. So welcome, El. Please tell us what is smart order and how can I have that today?
Awesome, Jackie. Awesome. I'm so excited about this new Smart Order program that the company came up with. So basically, what Smart Order is a toolbox bundle. Okay, you actually get a fully responsive autoresponder system, where you could actually build your own capture pages, forms with unlimited number of campaigns. You also get a blogging system with a fully functional CMS panel, which allows for merchant account integrations. You get a cloud storage with no limitations whatsoever. You could actually back up your entire computer regardless of the size of your computer. Right? So if you have, say, thousands of videos, TV shows or movies that you want to actually store, you could actually store them while you're doing your backup. So you could actually access all your files and your documents from any part of the world. So as long as there's an app that comes with the service, with the toolbox. So as long as you're using that app, as long as you have Wi-Fi service, you can actually have access to all your software, your files, your tools, your movies, your videos. Anywhere you are, as long as you have a Wi-Fi connection, and even though if you don't have your computer with you, you left your computer home, you're still going to have access to all your files and documents using the app that's actually going to come with the bundle. Okay, you have access to all the files, guys, and not like you say you go out somewhere, you leave your computer and you can't access your files. So you have some important document that you need to find immediately, and you halfway across the world, and your computer back on the other side, you still have access to that. That's how powerful the Ingresso Cloud is. Okay, the most important aspect of the cloud storage, guys, is that when you actually we have something called the do-over document system. What that is so for example, if you write in a very important document and you happen to delete it or you happen to write over it, what the cloud storage does, it keeps every document that you do, the last 30 documents that you did, it keeps a storage in there for you. So you don't actually, when you delete something, you don't actually lose it. You still have your last 30 documents that you edited or did, so you could actually go back there and find that one document that you want. So when you edit something, it's not lost. When you delete something, it's not lost. You have your last 30 entrance that you did in the cloud storage waiting for you, so you can actually go and recoup those information. Okay, so that's one powerful service of the cloud storage. All right. You also have a webinar platform, right, where you actually invite your prospects, to go over your webinars. Invite them to your webinars, and you can also promote your webinars live to them in the form of we have an integrated recorded system that you could actually do a webinar. Say you did a webinar yesterday, you can actually keep promoting that webinar by using the automated service. So no one will be able to tell if it's actually a live webinar or a recorded webinar. That's how powerful that platform is. So you actually have the ability to actually do that over and over, and also you could connect your autoresponders system to the webinar. So if you're using Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, whatever autoresponder you're using, you could actually connect it to your webinar platform, so you could always do your follow-ups with your prospects. So those are the basic four products that you're getting in this one toolbox. That's the Cybernetical Live Webinar platform, the blogging platform, the cloud storage, and the autoresponder service. All right, Jackie?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Could you please walk us through the process? I want smart order today. Let's say I want smart order today. How do I sign up?
Okay, let me share my screen. Let me share my screen. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do the sign up. Give me a second. My screen's coming up. Okay. See. All right, first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna go to the link, whatever link that whoever invited you, you're gonna go to the link. And once you go in here, what you're gonna do, you're gonna create a free account, right? You're gonna scroll down. This is the page. You make sure when the person send you the link, you want to verify that's the right person, you're on the right website. So you're gonna go up to the top and look at the person's name. You're gonna tell you the person your sponsor. You're gonna tell you at the top, right? So right here, as you see, Jackie's my sponsor. I'm looking here, and her name is right here. I'm gonna scroll down to the bottom, and you're gonna tell you the same thing, all right? What a smart order is, as you see right here, you see it's right here. You say $25 a month, but you be getting it for free on this free 30-day test drive we have. You get it for free for 30 days. You don't have to worry about paying that $25, okay? So what you're gonna do, you're gonna come down here and click register now, right? You'll come in, you'll create your account. So I'm gonna put in test account. I'm just a dummy account I'm doing, so I'm just making it up, and you'll put a password. You're gonna tell you if your username is valid, right? And you tell me it's an invalid username, so I can't use that. So I gotta test A. Right now you say it's valid. Put a password. I'm verified. Name and your address. So you want to fill out, make sure you fill out all these forms, all right? And you select your country, United States of America, and you put a phone number in, and your email address. All right, and when you come, you select your male or female. Then what you do, you make sure you look and you see it's a valid email, so that's good, it's valid. And you'll tell you if anything is wrong, you can actually tell you if you need to change anything. So that's everything look good right here. I'm gonna come down and check the box and create an account. And I want to save password. Now, once you create the account, you'll be taken to this page, all right, to pay. All right, it's telling you gotta pay, but what we're doing the smart order, so you don't have to worry about this part. What you're gonna do, you close this box, right? And then click dashboard. When you get to that video, just click on dashboard at the top of the start date. Then when this box come up, you want to say no thanks, or you could just go ahead and vote, but that's fine. Just click no thanks. You don't want to vote. Member guideline, you will scroll through it. Scroll all the way down, and yes, I agree. And then you come to this page, okay? Most important part, you want to set up your step one. All right, it's not going to take you long. This step one here, you want to complete this step one. All right, you want to upload a picture. It says edit, click edit, and then you'll actually make you upload an image of yourself. Your tax social security number, you want to put it in here also. If you're not in the US, you don't have to worry about the social security number. Just make a number up. Let me just do it. Let me just do it so you guys see. I'm gonna go in here, right here. I clicked on social security to upload a social security number. So what you're gonna do? Most of the fields should already fill out for you. So you're gonna come in here. Right now, my country is not selected, right? So I'm gonna come in here and select United States. United States of America, or you. All right. Now, if I'm not in the U.S., right, you see you have an asterisk by the tax or government ID number, right? So you're going to be either your social security number, or if you have an EIN, if you have a business identification number, right? So what if you don't have a social, if you're not in the country, you're going to put some random numbers in there. You're going to take it. So just keep trying. I'm going to just put some in there. There's 9 numbers total. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Yeah, 9 numbers total. Okay, that's if you're not in the U.S. If you're in the U.S. or Canada, you have to put your social in, put your right social in. Okay, now after you put those numbers in, you come down here and select your time zone, wherever you are, Eastern, Pacific, Atlantic, wherever you are. I'm in the US, I'm going to click -5. Okay, once that is done, I'm going to hit select. And you'll tell me my profile is updated. Right, so now I'm going to close this page out, and I'm going to go back to this page. You're going to take it back to this page, right? So once you click this tab, you're going to open a new tab. Right, so let me just refresh it so you can see. All right, so you see my tax ID, I got a green check mark, so that's good to go. So all that is left for me to do now is to actually upload my image, my photo image. I'm gonna click here. It opens another page again, and you want to click right here, upload, find the image on your computer, and then submit it, and your image is gonna be there. And then I'll go back to close this tab and go back to this page, and the same thing, you're gonna refresh the page. And once you refresh it, once you upload your image, this is gonna become a green check mark. Okay. Now the last part is the government ID card. You have to take a picture of your ID, either ID or your passport, your driver's license. Anything that was issued from the government to you. Okay, if you're in the U.S., your driver's license, your ID card, fine. If you're not in the U.S., your passport or whatever ID that the government issued to you, just take a copy with your phone and then upload it to here. right? Take a copy of your phone, as I said, and click on upload doc. Same thing. Opens a new page. Same thing. Upload your document. You choose where the file is saved, and then you upload the document. Okay, and then you say return the previous page. It'll take you back to this page. All right. So once that is done, the next step he says about adding funds. You don't have to add the funds. Step 2, step 3, step 4. You don't have to. If you're only doing the smart order, if you're signing for the 30-day test drive, right? What you're gonna do? UA says go to my dashboard right here. After you complete step 1, you're gonna click go to my dashboard. Once you click go to my dashboard, you're gonna bring to this form. You want to agree to the members' guidelines. Click agree. Now you're on this page. First thing you see here, you see this test drive or premium products. Click test drive, right? This is what you want to do, nothing else, but right here. You want to click test drive now. Once you click it, you're gonna bring to this page. I'll pause this video. Then you're gonna scroll down. This is the products you're getting. Like I said, I just went through the Magic Responder, the Cloud Storage, Cybernetical Live, Chat and Serve. You know, you get us also for the 30-day test drive. Pretty much you get all the products for the 30-day test drive. Okay. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna click continue. It's for 30 days. Then you take you to PayPal. Right. What you're gonna do in PayPal, you're actually creating a subscription. When you look right here, you see it says a 30-day test drive. Right, for free for 30 days and then $25 a month each after the 30-day trial. As right now you're seeing it says 0. So he's not charging you anything. You don't pay anything. If you already have a PayPal account, all you gotta do is sign into your PayPal account, right? Put your PayPal email address in here and your password, and then sign in. Okay. Once you sign in, you're gonna at the bottom here. Once you sign, you're gonna say agree. You know, create your subscription. You click agree and create your subscription. Then it'll actually create your subscription for you. Then it'll actually have 2 buttons at the bottom. I'm gonna tell you return to Dwayne Golden. Something you'll say return to Golden and Creations. Click on that button. You take it back into your back office. No, if you don't have a PayPal account, that's fine. You could actually create one. What you say is you could create one. If you want to pay with your card or your debit card, you could do that. Right at the bottom, it says you have no PayPal account. Pay with your credit card. The same thing. You click on pay with credit or debit card. It'll open up a new form for you. Right here. I need to create a PayPal account. Right. You could create one right here. It tell you whatever, select whatever country you're in, you fill out the information, put your card information, do it that way. And the same thing, when you complete everything, you click continue, right? Then it'll take you back to the same to the registration page, and you want to agree to the terms. You want to click agree, and then it'll actually create your subscription for you. Once you create your subscription, you're going to take you back into your dashboard. You should be right back here, right? For some reason, if you're not back in here, if you happen to came to back to this page, that's fine. Just click on go to my dashboard. Right, once you do that, you may have to log out and log back in because sometimes the system may pick up your smart order, so you may have to log out and log back in. How you could tell when you scroll on your page, if you're still seeing this warning, smart order is inactive, you might try to refresh the page. If that don't work, just log out and log back in, then it's all good to go. Right, once you see it disappear, it's not going to be there no more. All right, so how you could check that your smart order is active, when you click on right here, you're going to tell you your smart order is active. You're going to tell you won't see it. If you see this right here, that means it's not active. But once you click on it, you're going to actually tell you it's active. And that's the basic process of actually getting your 30-day test drive. And that's complete. That's everything you need to do. And you're good to go. Once you log in, you're going to have all your products at the top. You're going to see all the products that you are eligible for in the 30-day test drive. And you have access to all your products. And that's basic concept.
Wow, El. Wow, this is amazing. Are you really saying that once they sign up for the smart order, they can have access to all the products and services you just mentioned for free for the next 30 days?
Yes. And the best part what I mentioned, that you could actually, anyone could activate the business center at any time. And they don't have to worry about that $25 because they're already in there.
This is amazing. And there's something that I noticed. They don't need to have a PayPal account. If they don't have one, they can use their debit or credit cards just for the sign-up process, and they don't get charged for that. Is that correct?
Yes, correct.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure having you. It's always a pleasure having you, Al. So you have heard Al Cox. You have seen the process, and you can always pause the video and follow the steps. Follow the steps so that you don't miss anything. Get your smart order today. If you're in business and you want more exposure, you want more customers, you want to make more money in your business this year, you need a smart order. The time is now, guys. It's free for the next 30 days. So the system tells you straight up, test it for free. It's a no-brainer. Go ahead and do it now. Take care and much success in your business.